In this video, I want to talk about how you can get free items on Temu. Now currently there's 4 different ways that I know of, so let me just quickly go through them. The first one is when you're a new user and you sign up, most likely you're gonna get some sort of welcome bonus, which can be free gifts or big discount codes. Now the second one is promotional events and games. So usually there's gonna be like games inside of Temu, the app on your phone. And there will be like Fishland or Farmland, and you can play these games and you can earn free gifts, which can be coupon codes, discount codes, or even free items. Now, the other one is referral program. So if you Google Temu affiliate, sign up to the program, and you can copy this link here, and it will be different for which promotion you're doing. And if someone clicks on this link and they sign up to Temu or they buy something, you will get a commission. Then you can use this money to buy whatever you want on Temu. And you can also, if your friend sends you their link, you can get a $100 coupon bundle, or you can get the free gifts or stuff like this. Now the last one would be contests and giveaways. Usually on Temu social media, and especially on their email list, they will send out like giveaways or contests where you can get free stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.